Hello friends, now it's time to give away 5 gifts to all of you. So we will do a draw on 7th of October and you 5 people will win free products with worth 1200 crown. 1 protein whey 80, 1 amino, supreme amino BCA, 1 Ulift pre-workout and 1 hair shaker and 1 bag from the Smart Shake. All these things we will send to you. If you want it at home, you have to pay only your shipping cost. We send it for free to your home. No matter which country you live, wherever in the world you live. All you need to do is like, share, and comment and tag 5 of your friends and I will ship to you that. So this is totally for free. You just pay the shipping cost. If you come and pick from me, I will give you just without any, you don't need to pay shipping. So 7th of October, you have just few days, tag and share.